Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the channel. Join me today on a walk around Ta Som Temple. This is a small temple located at Angkor, Cambodia, built at the end of the 12th century for King Jayavarman VII. It is located northeast of Angkor Thom and just east of Nik Pin. The king dedicated the temple to his father, Daranin Jayavarman II, who was king of the Khmer Empire from 1110 to 1160. The temple consists of a single shrine located on one level and surrounded by enclosure laterite walls. If you watch the video to the end, you will be able to see the eastern outer gopura, which has been overgrown by a sacred fig which has grown down through the blocks that make up the gopura and into the ground. Like the nearby Priya Khan and Ta Prom, the temple was left largely unrestored, with numerous trees and vegetation growing among the ruins. In 1998, the World Monuments Fund added the temple to their restoration program and began work to stabilise the structure to make it safer for visitors. Designed to be entered from the east, Ta Som is surrounded by a moat and enclosed by 3 laterite walls, which are broken by 2 sets of gopura. The gopuras are cross-shaped and contain a small room on each side along with windows containing balusters. The main structure of the gopura are carved with 4 faces in the Bayon style. The inner section of the temple consists of a central cruciform sanctuary with porches at each arm surrounded by 4 corner pavilions. 2 small libraries sit on either side of the eastern entrance path. According to Apsara, the authority who manage the temples in the Angkor Park, little restoration work has been done at Ta Som until the 1950s. At this time, some propping of structures that were near collapse was carried out. After the World Monuments Fund added Ta Som to their project, the team began to document and interpret the site and carry out emergency stabilisation of fragile structures and improvement to visitor flow around the monument. In 2007, the World Monuments Fund and Aspara Authority conducted clearing and documentation works that allowed the temple to be accessed from all 4 sides. Many sandstone blocks were repaired, and this allowed the reconstruction of the north central fronton of the North Gopura. Thanks for watching until the end, and if you have enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. I will see you all soon on the next video. Bye for now. As mentioned earlier, here you can see the eastern outer gopura overgrown by a sacred fig.